Welcome to EZLOGZ. This video is part of a series of training videos with helpful and in-depth information on our products. Find out how EZLOGZ can increase your fleet performance and save money. Accept unidentified driving. Click on the ELD button at the top right. Enter the item Unidentified Driving. Select the date you need, and click on it. Click on the Assign command, and choose your mode: work, personal, yard, or mechanical. Enter the Logbook menu, where you can check if your changes have been made. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please get in touch with our support, which is available 24/7.